Hi guys, Hostinger is one of the largest hosting company in the world for web hosting. So in this video I am actually going to be discussing the top 5 feature hosting your offer and why you should pick them for your website. Number 1, the uptime and the speed. Now website uptime and website speed is one of the most desired feature which a hosting company can have for a few reasons. Since website speed actually influence SEO and eventually the traffic to your website, you can do with just a normal speed. You want to have a very good speed and uptime for your website to increase those features and that traffic. How now Hostinger offer cloud web hosting technology with FTP, MyPHP, SQL and 3 time optimized WordPress speed. Now in addition to this, it actually claim to provide almost unlimited disk space and bandwidth, which mean Hostinger is going to be providing one of the fastest speeds you can get on the market, at least for that price. Number 2, affordability. Hostinger is incredibly cheap with their single shared hosting plan starting at $1.39 per month, premier shared hosting $2.59 per month, and business shared hosting at $3.99 per month. Now getting into number 3, optimization. Hostinger has a custom built cache and website hosting system which is really good for optimizing the web speed and using of your website. It has full SSD storage as well, which enable WordPress site to run up to 50 faster. A really good feature in my opinion. And number 4, you get a free domain name and a free SSL certificate with any purchase of premier or business plan. And this might not seem like a massive benefit, but it really is if you factor those pricing into buying your initial website startup cost. It really goes a long way to provide those benefits for you and to help your business get started on the web. And finally, at number 5, a free website builder. Now Hostinger actually offer a free website builder with their entire plan, and this is really beneficial because you are not going to be having to pay those extra cost to either buy a custom website builder, a really high quality CMS, or a custom coder. You can just get in there, and they offer drag and drop capability on their free website builder, so you can get your website up and running in no time. So that in gonna do it for this video. Those have been the top 5 best features of Hostinger, and I actually did manage to find a custom link for you guys where you can get a special deal. If you want to head down to the top link in the description and get click that link, you can actually get hosting or plans at a discount. So go ahead and do that. Head over there. Thanks for watching. Remember to leave a like and subscribe if you have not already, and I will see you guys next time.